Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a star that wasn't there yesterday. It doesn't twinkle. It doesn't move like the others. It just hangs there, perfectly still, growing brighter. Astronomers rush to their telescopes. Within hours, they realize something terrifying. That star is not a star at all. It's a black hole, and it's heading straight for our solar system. This is what if. And here's what would happen if a black hole entered our solar system. Scene 1. The stranger in the sky. At first, nobody panics. The telescopes show a small, distant object. It's maybe the size of a city, but with more mass than our sun. A rogue black hole. No galaxy, no star system. Just a lonely monster drifting through space. Right now, it's still billions of kilometers away, far beyond Neptune. No one on Earth can feel anything yet, but the solar system can. The first victims are the outer planets. Way out in the darkness, Neptune's orbit becomes wrong. Tiny changes at first. Its path stretches. Its year lengthens. Saturn and Uranus begin to drift too. Astronomers run the numbers. The gravity pulling on them doesn't match any known planet. There's only one explanation. Something massive is approaching. Something we cannot see directly. Now they know for sure. It is a black hole, and it's coming closer. Far beyond Pluto lies the Oort cloud, a huge shell of ice, rock, and comets surrounding our solar system. The black hole plows through it like a shark through a school of fish. Millions of comets are nudged off course. Some are flung into deep space. Others are sent speeding inward, straight toward the inner planets. Over the next few centuries, the inner solar system becomes a shooting gallery. Bright streaks cut across our skies. Some explode harmlessly in the atmosphere. Others don't. Cities are destroyed. Oceans boil where huge impacts strike. Dust fills the air and blocks sunlight. Earth has seen asteroid impacts before, but never this many, never this often, and the black hole is still getting closer. Right now, the black hole hasn't eaten anything. It doesn't have to. Its gravity alone is enough. When it finally reaches the region near Jupiter, the entire solar system becomes unstable. Orbits twist. Planets tug on each other like beads on tangled strings. Earth's beautiful, almost circular orbit stretches into a long, dangerous ellipse. Now some years are much hotter, some much colder. Winters become brutal and endless. Summers bring killer heat waves and superstorms. Sea levels swing wildly. Ice caps melt, then refreeze. Agriculture collapses. Billions struggle to survive. And above us in the sky, we can finally see it. Not the black hole itself, but the light it's stealing. As the black hole approaches the sun, it begins to feast on loose gas, dust, and small rocks. Everything that gets too close spirals inward at incredible speeds. Friction heats this material to millions of degrees. We see a glowing ring form around a point of absolute darkness. An accretion disk. It shines brighter than any star in our sky. A swirling halo of destruction. The night is no longer dark. Instead, a ghostly, distorted light hangs where the stars used to be. The black hole has arrived. Now comes the ultimate question. Will the black hole swallow our sun? That depends on distance. If it passes far enough away, the sun might survive, but our orbits will be torn apart. If it comes too close, the sun will start losing gas, pulled into that deadly glowing disk. Pieces of our star stream into the black hole like fire being drained through a cosmic plug. Solar flares erupt. Radiation storms sweep through the solar system. Satellites fry. Power grids overload and die. For a brief time, the sky becomes a horror show. Our sun bleeding into a dark, invisible wound in space. If the black hole is big enough, the sun doesn't stand a chance. In a final burst of light, our star is shredded. Its matter stretched into a bright spiral and then gone. Just like that, the solar system loses its heart. If the sun disappears, we don't know right away. Light takes about 8 minutes to travel from the sun to Earth. So for 8 strange, silent minutes, nothing seems wrong. Then everything changes. Daylight vanishes. The sky goes black in a single instant. The temperature starts to plummet. Within hours, air over the continents cools and collapses downward. creating howling winds and global storms. Within days, the surface temperature drops below 40 Richters. Oceans begin to freeze on the surface. Plants die. Most animals follow. Humanity rushes underground, into bunkers, mines, and geothermal shelters. The only way to survive now is to build our own artificial sun. With no sun to hold us in place, Earth's path changes again. Now we're caught between the black hole's gravity and the momentum of our old orbit. One of two things happens. Option 1. We spiral slowly toward the black hole, doomed to be torn apart and swallowed ourselves. Option 2. We get flung outward into deep space, a frozen, wandering world with no star to call home. In either case, Earth as we know it is over. Maybe small human colonies survive using nuclear fusion, geothermal heat, or captured asteroid ice. But the blue planet full of oceans and forests and cities, that version of Earth is gone forever. Scene 9. Could we have stopped it? Short answer? No. A black hole is not an asteroid we can push with rockets. It's not a comet we can blow up. It's a warped region of space-time, with the mass of a star packed into a point no bigger than a city. All we could have done is watch it come, and prepare for the end. But there is one small comfort. Space is huge. Black holes are rare. And the chance of one wandering right into our solar system is incredibly, unbelievably small. At least, for now. So, if a black hole ever enters our solar system, it wouldn't just swallow a few planets. It would rewrite the entire story of our sky, our seasons, our days, our lives. Until then, we look up at the night and enjoy the calm, because out there, in the dark between the stars, something like this might already be on its way. This was What If. What should we explore next? A rogue planet crashing into Earth? A universe with no gravity? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending what-if scenarios.